Hi, I'm Steve G. Jones, and I want to welcome you to the Master Practitioner program. In the world of NLP, we have 3 levels of certification. The first one, which you've already completed, is the basic certification. This one is the master certification, and the final one is the trainer certification. So you are in the middle right now, and what we focus on in the middle is taking the skills that you already have and adding additional skills to them. So in the basic practitioner program, you learn some basic skills, which, if you watch the 10 hours of videos, you realize there's a lot to learn. And if you read the 100-page ebook, you realize that there's really a lot to learn. There's a lot of information that you can get from the basic certification program. So even though it's called basic certification, realize that you are already very far ahead of most of the people in the world in that you have a substantial body of knowledge in your mind about NLP. And the way that I can be assured of that is that you've already passed the final exam for the basic class. So welcome to the master class, and we're going to focus on, as I've said, adding to your body of knowledge, adding to what you know to make it a bigger body of knowledge. And then in the trainer program, if you want to go further, in the trainer program, what I focus on is training you to give back to the world, because you will already have gone through the basic and master levels, and you will have really an amount of knowledge that not many people have at all. It's going to be a very rare thing to find someone who will have the amount of knowledge about NLP that you will have at the end of this class. So, given that, it's nice to give back to the world. So that's what the next level is about if you decide to go on. The next level is about you learning how to train people, how to do what I'm doing. So, for example, if you decide that you want to create videos or audio programs or ebooks, you may have a body of knowledge about NLP, but how to deliver that to someone else can be a challenge. So I'm going to bridge that gap for you. So now you understand the entire program, all 3 levels of certification, and let's focus on the task at hand, which is to increase your knowledge now at the master level, increase your knowledge about NLP. You know, when I think about the concept of going through a program such as this, I think of any substantial body of knowledge and how they always build on each other. They take the basic concepts and they build on that. And I think about, in particular, math. Now, you may have different feelings about math than I do. I was never an expert at math going through school, but I did always have a healthy respect for it. And I had a respect for it in the sense that if you learn one thing in math, then you're ready to learn the next thing. But if you don't learn that first thing, it's more of a challenge, and sometimes it precludes you from learning the next thing. So you are advancing along a path that becomes very interesting based on the hard work that you do. And when I say hard work, I don't mean difficult work. I mean just putting in the hours, putting in the time, getting to really understand this information and then building on it. So in this master level, we are going to talk about something that's beyond the basics, beyond adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, if you will. We're going to get into more advanced concepts.